Hi friends, in this video I will explain step by step how to renewal CDC online. What we need: signed online application, passport size photo, 3.5 cm, 3.5 cm, with white background face covering 70%. Self-attested scanned copy of CDC, first and last 2 pages. Self-attested scanned passport copy, first and last page. You can upload photo in JPG format, remaining all in PDF. When filling the application, we need Indos date of issue. Go to the browser, type DG Shipping and search. Click on Directorate General of Shipping. Select E-Governance. Log in using Indos number. From here, select CDC Management and COC as Cook. The next page is coming like this. In the left we can see Submit Application and others. Click on the first one. Here have some options, but I am going through Renewal CDC New. Click on it. Application filling page is opening here. Read carefully and fill. Most of the claims are filled already. First, select office. I selected Chennai because I have Chennai CDC. Check all claims are filled correct or not. Then fill issue date of Indos number. And then scroll down. CDC, issue place is not filled here, but I cannot fill because typing is not enabled. I don't know what about you. I leave this and fill passport claims. After filling passport details, click on Continue. Second page is for our home address. Some places are already filled. Remaining we can fill. After filling details, click Continue for the third page. Nothing is here. We have to pay 700 rupees. Click Continue. In the next page is mentions required documents. I already explained about this in the beginning. Tick the declaration box and click on Generate Application Number. Asking your permission, click OK. Here is the payment page. Click on Pay. Click Continue. And make a payment. Payment is done. You can print out the page. After that, again go to DG Shipping. A message showing application has been submitted. So now we should upload the required document. Click on Others. Here you will get all details and an upload option. Click on View Submitted Data. Print out and sign the documents and scan. It should save as a PDF for upload. Click on Upload Now for the documents. Upload documents one by one. After finishing, it will be like this. Later we can be possible to check status from this page. Thanks for watching video.